All right, Reece, tell us about your Audi A3.
All right, so I have a 2017 Audi A3 Quattro. It's a 2-liter, shares an engine with the GTI. It's integrated engineering stage 2 with a eBay catless downpipe, Borla catback, and a vibrant resonator. I have a diverter valve spacer from ECS under the hood, drop-in filter.
All right, so the cool thing about this car is pretty much the sleeper status. As you guys can see, we have what seemingly could be a stock Audi A3, but in fact it makes how much horsepower?
330 brake about.
Yeah, that's that is no slow car, let me tell you. I mean, aesthetically, I mean, the only thing that really kind of pops out to me is, of course, this blacked out Audi badge. But from far away, you know, I was driving in front of this car and I looked in the mirror, and just the lights, the way the LEDs kind of, I mean, it does look aggressive, of course. You know, it is an Audi at the end of the day. But, you know, for most Audi drivers, I mean, it looks like a standard car, but I promise you guys, this thing sounds absolutely insane. Basically, I mean, it is a GTI on paper, of course, you know, in standard form. And yeah, but no, definitely sleeper status. I will say, I think maybe the one thing that might be a bit of a giveaway is at the back, we have some certainly burnt tips, shall we say?
Oh, yeah. Extremely.
But and maybe this will kind of give it away as well, as kind of what we have under the hood. But yeah, this car is one hoot and a half, and we'll definitely have to jump in and kind of see what you do. But yeah, I think it's would you say it's time to jump in and see how she do? Another thing to mention too is this thing does have an upgraded wheel. And where did you get this wheel?
AliExpress, surprisingly.
And it's mint.
It is mint.
And like, how much was this wheel?
$300.
300 bucks, and you get the legit Audi. Like, those are RS paddles. We're talking like nice paddles, good feel, and of course, you know, perforated steering wheel. I mean, this thing is a nice steering wheel. So, you know, for that kind of value, I can't knock it. So definitely, I think that's where I might be getting my my steering wheel. I mean, if that's literally the fit and finish, do you remember, you know, which I shouldn't even ask that because there's so many suppliers.
Oh yeah, I could give you, yeah. Definitely.
Sounds good. Yeah, first review of 2022. Very exciting.
Oh yeah. Oh shit. I'm the first.
So you'll be the benchmark for 0 to 60. But yeah, this is a fun road. Basically, enjoy yourself on this one. Can't go wrong with the pops.
That was a little.
That's all the right noises.
It makes all the right noises.
This S-turn's fun. Now the cool thing about this is, bear in mind, we are on like the factory springs, like, you know, the tires probably aren't the best for this, and it's still doing it, you know?
Oh, it is, yeah.
It can handle it. And that's the coolest thing with the A3. And if you ask me what's the best car that you can get, you know, for that easy, quick performance, and of course you get the, you know, the turbos, you know, and shouting out.
Especially nice because it's a car that's as expensive or even a little tiny bit more expensive than a GTI, and it has all-wheel drive, and not to mention it has the subframe from a Golf R and a GTI Club Sport, so that beats a GTI regardless, especially in northern conditions where it's more susceptible to rust, like the steel one on the GTI, where these aluminum ones are a lot lighter in the front end.
Yeah, this is a catless downpipe with a Borla exhaust, and it's calm now. Like, you know what I mean? Yeah. It's totally subdued, and it's because we did the vibrant fix.
Yep. And it's definitely necessary if you're running a downpipe.
It's a day and night difference. It really is. So.
Yep. In my opinion, they sound really nice all together. Like.
is definitely helps engulf that noise.
Oh yeah, it
pretty
does.
nicely. See what you do. Oh yeah. And if you were wondering, if we haven't mentioned already, it does shoot flames. Oh my god. And take it right. Wow, this thing, I mean, it's cool because you get that instant torque. I mean, it spools so quick as opposed to my IS-38, and of course now I'm tuned, so now I can really kind of say, you know, the true before and after with a tuned IS-20 and a tuned IS-38. I mean, just that urgency with the torque, and again, how much torque is this thing making? Probably
400 brake about. 400
brake, like that's a lot of torque. That's a lot of torque for something that only weighs, you know, 3,400. All right, get her ready. I'll let you know. Good to go.
30. 60.
Dude, the
Do you want to know what that was?
What?
A 4.18.
What the f?
Yeah, I'm not even joking.
That's disgusting.
That's draggy, bro. Did a 0 to 30 in 1.5 seconds.
Oh my, does it say my 60 foot?
60 foot 1.8.
Jesus. Oh my, that was disgusting.
That was a good.
Do you hear the rear tires light up?
Oh yeah, yeah, for sharks. This thing moves.
That 4.2. I was just reading what I found off the internet. Like, wasn't expecting anything.
Yeah, damn, this thing it moves.
Oh yeah,
it moves. All right, so we finally landed back. This A3, this sleeper of a car, is absolutely nuts. We ran absurd 0 to 60s, and yeah, I want to thank obviously Reece for coming out, and obviously we're repping Dodge Driven too.
Yep,
so
yep. And
so
IE.
yeah, no, IE. I mean, it was one hell of a day. This thing is so fast. I mean, so quick, and we'll definitely be doing some more 0 to 60s, and I think this probably will hold the throne for quite a while. Maybe unless we get an RS3, but you know, as far as that goes, this thing is just unbelievably quick, and
For stock
yeah.
tires, stock suspension.
Yep. Yeah, I can't imagine. You know, obviously I think the height definitely helps with the launching, you know, to allow that rear end to dip a little, but slap some tires on, and you know, and lighter wheels, this thing is gonna move. So yeah, definitely this might make another appearance maybe next year, you know, and to kind of see where it's at, and yeah, so I think we'll conclude it there, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.